Hey everybody, Attorney Celeste here. And let's start with current events today because current events affect your legal and financial rights. In pandemic news, COVID-19, the highly contagious virus, which has had a big impact worldwide, has claimed almost 353,000 confirmed cases in the United States. On Friday, there were about 230,000 cases, so we've seen over 100,000 cases in terms of an increase. The United States has the most COVID-19 cases in the world, more than Italy and Spain combined. Italy and Spain have about 270 confirmed cases altogether. And according to Democracy Now!, more than 90% of the United States is in lockdown or under a quarantine order from a state or local government. In the economy, according to the New York Times, the U.S. is nowhere close to reopening the economy. So one Michigan State University economist has stated that lawmakers should consider funneling $1,500 a month to individuals through mobile apps like Zelle or Cash App in order to reach more people without certain restrictions. Millennials, who are on average between the ages of 23 and 37, and other young household individuals who have not enjoyed the market gains after the 2008 depression, are less likely to recover from an economic catastrophe like this, even though they are less likely to be affected by the COVID-19 virus. Most in this generation are living paycheck to paycheck, and the paychecks have stopped. According to Forbes, bankers are warning of a severe economic downturn. So we're talking about Jamie Dimon, we're talking about other CEOs at large international banks. And according to The Hill, top health experts are calling for FDR or Roosevelt level government programs to stop the virus and restart the economy. One former director of the CDC, or Center for Disease Control, believes that the government should hire the unemployed, which will, of course, boost the economy as people who are unemployed are more likely to spend more of their discretionary income. And in Chicago, according to NBC, on Friday, there were over 200 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the Cook County jails. Mother Jones and others are reporting that 70% of the confirmed COVID-19 cases in Chicago are from people who are of African American or African descent. So just keep that in mind as we're going forward and we're toughing through this pandemic. Please stay indoors if at all possible. Do not go out unless it's necessary, just because it is so contagious and a lot of people are affected by this. So now we're going to turn to a topic based on the services that we provide at the Celeste firm. So we provide election law services. We're going to look at COVID-19 and running for office. So many people are looking at the government. They're looking at their representatives' handling of coronavirus and the $1,200 checks they're going to be getting, some of them. And they are going to make up their mind for the general election 2020. Some are considering running for office. If you are considering running for office, or if you've ever wondered how certain people are able to get elected, one important requirement in the state is for someone to live and reside in a particular voting district or location. If a candidate does not reside in a particular voting district, then they can be knocked off the ballot. So you see a lot of ballot challenges here in Chicago, Illinois. There's a lot of cases. So now I'm going to move on to open office hours. I did not receive any questions over the weekend, or if I did, I'll make sure to check and add them to tomorrow's list. We go live during our open office hours every day. You can contact me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, also TikTok, or you can join us at thecelestefirm.com, where you can sign up for a free account and get free legal resources. Or you can always text me at 708-629-1707. We'll talk to you soon or tomorrow, and please take care. Do everything that you can to protect yourself and your family. Thank you very much.